Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something crucial: how to position your money for 2025. Forget the old rules. The game has changed. And if you're not paying attention, you're going to get left behind. What if in just a few years, your money could grow 3 times over not by luck, but by understanding the hidden trends that smart money is already moving into, while everyone is still chasing the same old crypto hype and crowded real estate deals? The biggest winners for 2025 are hiding in plain sight. Stay with me, because I'm going to break down exactly where you should be looking. First, let's talk about megatrends. These aren't short-term fads. They are massive, structural shifts that are reshaping our world and driving huge returns. The most obvious one? Artificial intelligence. But don't just think about flashy AI apps. Think about the backbone, the data, infrastructure, the servers, the chip makers. This is the picks and shovels of the new gold rush. Big players like Morgan Stanley are highlighting that thematic investing in areas like AI and data infrastructure is where sustained growth lies. So, how do you get in on this? Look for ETFs or funds specifically tied to AI infrastructure and the big data ecosystem. You're investing in the very foundation of our future economy. The second megatrend you cannot ignore is the energy transition. Global investment in clean energy is set to hit record levels. We're talking trillions of dollars being poured into renewables, grid modernization, and battery storage. This isn't just about feeling good. It's about following the money. Reuters reports that governments and corporations worldwide are committed to this shift. This creates a massive, long-term tailwind for companies in the solar, wind, and energy storage sectors. Investing in green energy funds or individual companies leading the charge is like catching a wave that's only going to get bigger. Don't miss this boat! Now, let's get tactical. For decades, the mantra was simple: a mix of stocks and bonds. But with high inflation and rapid policy shifts, that classic diversification strategy is showing cracks. BlackRock has pointed out that we need new diversifiers. What does that mean for you? It means layering in assets that behave differently. Consider short duration or inflation-linked bonds to protect against interest rate hikes. And if you have the stomach for it, a small, calculated allocation to digital assets can offer non-correlated returns. The key is to build a portfolio that's resilient and not reliant on just one or two traditional asset classes. Next, think beyond your own backyard. So many investors have a home bias, keeping all their money in their domestic market. But some of the best opportunities and valuations right now are abroad. According to Fidelity and Morningstar, many global and emerging economies are at an earlier stage in their economic cycle, offering significant growth potential that you might not find at home. You don't need to be an expert on foreign stocks. Adding exposure through global or emerging markets. ETFs is an incredibly simple way to tap into this growth and further diversify your portfolio. Remember, the world is a big place, and so are the opportunities. Finally, in a world of higher interest rates, cash flow is king. This brings dividend and income strategies back into the spotlight. Bankrate notes that in this new environment, consistent income becomes far more attractive. Instead of just chasing high-growth tech stocks, focus on high-quality companies that have a long history of paying and increasing their dividends. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, can also be a great source of consistent payouts. Building a solid income stream within your portfolio provides both a cushion during volatile times and a steady return you can count on. It's a disciplined, powerful approach for 2025. So, to recap, focus on megatrends like AI and clean energy. Diversify beyond traditional stocks and bonds. Look for opportunities in international markets. And don't forget the power of dividend income. The financial landscape is always changing. But by understanding these key themes, you can build a robust strategy to not just survive, but thrive in the years to come. Thanks so much for watching. If you got any value from this video, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more insights on how to build your wealth. Drop a comment below with which trend you're most excited about. See you in the next one!